In a major financial scandal, the Leelavati Kirtilal Mehta Medical Trust, which runs the renowned Leelavati Hospital in Mumbai, has filed an embezzlement case with the Enforcement Directorate involving around 1,200 crores against its former trustees. Located in Bandra, Mumbai, Leelavati Hospital is a world-class multi-speciality institution known for treating Bollywood celebrities and top politicians. The trust alleges that former trustees, including Vijay Mehta, brother of the hospital's founder Kishore Mehta, siphoned off substantial funds through fraudulent orders and records. 3 FIRs have been registered against the former trustees with the charges including forgery and misappropriation, 11.52 crore rupees allegedly diverted through illegal investments in Mayfair Realtors and Vesta India. Second, cheating and misappropriation, 44 crore rupees allegedly misused under the pretense of legal fees for non-existent hearings. Third, procurement fraud, over 1,200 crores allegedly siphoned off under false procurement claims for hospital stocks revealed in a forensic audit. Fourth, tax claims investigation, 500 crore rupees were used by former trustees under investigation by the Income Tax Department. And lastly, stolen valuables, 59 crore rupees worth of jewellery and valuables stolen from the Leelavati Hospital vault in Gujarat under investigation.
There is a impact on the hospital because with this money we could have built another 3 hospitals. I mean, having 1,500 crores plus money gone by, it does impact. But the current board of trustees is functioning very well. In fact, they are making every effort to recover the funds. We are also in the mode of expansion of other hospitals. We have tied up with other big hospitals in the US for technology, doctors training, all of that. So the current board is making every endeavor to ensure that the functioning is not disrupted and to enhance the services, the present services of the hospital.
I would like to add here that this is a charitable trust. So this money would have been used for the charity, for the welfare of the and well-being of the patients. Now it's been siphoned off by the various criminals, and which could have been utilized for welfare of the society.
The controversy began in 2002 when Kishore Mehta travelled abroad for medical treatment and his brother Vijay Mehta temporarily took charge of the trust. Allegedly, Vijay forged documents to remove Kishore as a permanent trustee, appointing his sons and nephews in his place. This sparked a long legal battle finally resolved in 2016 when Kishore regained the control. Following Kishore's death in 2024, his son Prashant Mehta took over as a trustee. A forensic audit concluded under his leadership uncovered significant financial irregularities, including embezzlement via fake records and orders. In a strange twist, a complaint has also been filed under the Maharashtra Anti-Black Magic Act after hospital employees claimed evidence of black magic practices allegedly used by the former trustees to harm Prashant Mehta and his mother Charu Mehta. The case is currently under investigation. As the investigation unfolds, the Leelavati Trust faces a long road to uncover the full extent of the alleged financial misdeeds and irregularities.
लीलावती अस्पताल के मौजूदा ट्रस्टियों द्वारा पूर्व ट्रस्टियों पर जो आरोप लगाए गए हैं वो काफ़ी गंभीर हैं। मौजूदा ट्रस्टियों का कहना है कि ये तो सिर्फ शुरुआत है और पिछले ट्रस्टियों ने जो गड़बड़ियां की थी उसकी सिर्फ एक कड़ी है। अब देखना ये होगा आने वाले दिनों में और क्या नए खुलासे होते हैं और पूर्व ट्रस्टियों की कितनी मुश्किलें इससे बढ़ती हैं।
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.